So in this lecture, we have discussed, first of all, we have to discuss regarding the account of minor. As we have already discussed in the yesterday lecture that we can open an account of minor as a self-operated. Account of minor as a self-operated account if he or she above 10 years of age. Above 10 years of age. But in this type of account, there are some types of instruction, basically restricted operations, like the maximum amount in the account, monthly withdrawal amount. So there are some types of restricted operations in this type of account. So the important thing which we have to discuss is the guardian. Like as we discussed in the yesterday lecture also, please respond also. Like that, who will be the natural guardian basically? Natural guardian is either the father or mother. One question for all of you. Basically, what will be the status of minor? Or can minor be literate? Can minor be illiterate? Is this possible? Anyone know? Can minor be illiterate? While opening the account of a minor, it is possible that minor will be illiterate or minor can be illiterate. Anyone know? Or it is necessary for the minor to be literate? Or it is necessary for the minor to be literate? Please answer this question. Can minor be illiterate, or it is necessary for the minor to be literate for opening the account in the bank? So this type of question asked in your exam. Some students say that can be illiterate, and one student say that not necessary. Other students, please respond also, because doing discussion points will become more clear. So as per the conditions regarding the account of minor, the minor must be literate. Must be literate. Minor should be or must be literate while opening the account. The minor should be literate. Should be literate. So one more question here. Hope your answer is clear now. The minor should be literate for opening the account. Second question, can two minors open their account as a joint account? Can two minors open their account as a joint account? What will be the answer of this question? Can two minors open their account as a joint account? So no, answer is no. Two minors cannot open their account as a joint account. Now we can discuss 2 to 3 questions regarding the minor account. After that we can go further. So here first question, minor account, you can respond to the questions. Minor account can be opened in the guardianship of. Minor account can be opened in the guardianship of A option mother and father, B option mother or father, C option grandmother, D option is elder brother. What is the answer of this question? And other question number 2 here is, this is question number 1. Question number 2, 2 or more minors if desirous of opening a bank account in your bank, whether they can open either or survivor or jointly or only 2 can join or cannot open. What is the answer of both questions? You can answer in that way, 1A or 1B, 1C, and second one is 2A, 2B, 2C. So many students are giving their answers. So the answer of the first question is minor account can be opened in the guardianship of mother or father, not both, and means both, or means one of them. So answer here is option number B, and question number 2 is 2 or more minors if desirous to opening a bank account. Basically 2 or more minors cannot open their bank account. So answer is option number D. So next question, question number 3. Who shall be the natural guardian in case of married minor girl? Very, very important question. Who shall be the natural guardian in case of married minor girl? The answer of third is, some students says that father-in-law, some says that husband. So who shall be the natural guardian in case of the married minor girl? So in the case of married minor girl, the natural guardian is husband. And if husband dies, and if husband dies, and the girl is now also minor, and if the husband dies and the girl is minor, then who will be the natural guardian? Please answer your question. Please answer the question. If husband dies in the case of married minor girl, then who will be the natural guardian? So if a husband dies, then either mother or father. Either mother or father is the natural guardian in the case of married minor girl. Any doubt till now?